Have you ever missed someone so deeply that for a moment, you forgot how much the relationship hurt? One tender memory returns, and suddenly, your progress feels uncertain. Maybe it was inconsistent. You felt close, then confused. Chosen, then left waiting. Even when it hurt, part of you hoped the good moments would become the whole relationship. Missing them does not mean stepping away was wrong. It often means your heart is responding to attachment, not giving you instructions about what to do next. Attachment forms through repetition, closeness, and emotional intensity. When someone becomes part of your daily rhythm, their presence becomes familiar even when it was not peaceful. Familiarity can feel comforting simply because it is known. Starting over brings empty spaces, new routines, and unanswered questions. Sometimes you miss knowing what came next. Hope can also keep a connection alive in memory. You may miss who they sometimes were, who they promised to become, or the future you imagined. Your hope was real, even if the relationship could not hold it. Emotional memory adds another layer. Nostalgia does not play every scene. It edits. It softens the long waits, mixed signals, and moments you abandoned your needs, then brightens a few beautiful memories. When nostalgia arrives, do not shame yourself. Pause and try these 3 grounding steps. First, name the full truth. I miss them, and I also remember why I left. Both can be true. Missing someone is a feeling. Returning is a decision. They are not the same. Second, bring your body back to the present. Place both feet on the floor. Take one slow breath. Name 5 things you see, 4 you feel, and 1 sound you hear. Third, read what you wrote when the truth was clear. Keep 2 private lists, what I miss and what it cost me. Let the whole story answer nostalgia, not only its gentlest chapter. Then choose 1 caring action that belongs to your life now. Make tea, step outside, text someone safe, stretch, or finish 1 small task. Comfort can exist beyond that connection. Healing is not proved by never missing them again. It is shown in what you do when you miss them. Each time you honor the feeling without reopening the wound, you build self-trust. You can miss what was familiar and still choose what is healthy. You can grieve the hope and keep walking forward. Save this video for the next time nostalgia makes you question your progress. You are not going backward. You are remembering and choosing yourself again.